Hi everyone. So we are going to learn the 20s letter. It's a little like ing in the English language, but more from the throat and nose, which is yeah, like ng in English, like morning, or swimming. That sounds. So listen carefully how I pronounce it. Again, it has four different forms: beginning form, middle connecting form, back connecting form, and a long form. So this first the beginning and middle connecting form kind of looks like the ge and ke. So they're like related, like, but it's nge. Okay, let's give some examples. For the first connecting form, I think it's very rare to have that. I've never heard a word, so I cannot really make examples. I don't think it ever comes from the first connection, but it is how it looks like. And the middle connecting form, let's see, yang, new, yang. For the back connecting form, again, I told you when it's three dots, this is how I wrote in my handwritten way. Yeah, but as a beginner, you have to write those three dots clearly. And this is for example, Minang, mine, right? Or Mang, 1,000. And for a long form, there are a lot, like Rang, color, Chong, big. Yeah, that's it. Let's thank you.